A very good evening to one and all. I, JC Vidhi Waghela, welcome you all to JCI Marine Line's Talk Tales. Today we have among us one such personality who strongly believed, give me a few years, I have got big plans, and she rightly proved it. We would like to welcome the National President of JCI India, JCI Senator Rakhi Jain.
Thank you.
So, starting with ma'am, what has been that one point in your life, like which motivated you or inspired you to start your leadership ladder in JCI?
Thank you, Vidhi. I got a lot of opportunity as a JC rate, but that time I thought ki whatever opportunity I am getting and whatever I am doing, in return I am not getting that recognition. So that time I thought ki if I am doing something, so I want the recognition, and I want to recognize a lot of female member also in the JCI. So these things motivated me ki if we are giving something, so this is our right ki we will get also something.
That's great. This is actually leading to women empowerment.
Yes.
That yes, even we need recognition.
Yes.
So next, what was the first thing you decided, or maybe we can say that the very first thought on becoming JCI India National President 2021?
First, I thought ki I have a capability because I proved myself in every part of my life as a zone president, as executive vice president. Then I thought if I am able to perform my duty as a zone president, as executive vice president, whatever post I am getting, so why not the national president? And then the same thought again ki I want to give one leadership line to JC rates also, to ladies also, because we are going so high, but then also we are getting a lot of problem. So I want to give us so much of leadership skill to JCI India as a lady leader. In future, wherever some lady will come, they will not go through that pain, and they are able to recognize themselves as a lady member in the JCI India.
That's really awesome, ma'am. So, like, what developments did you make in your team 2021, and how was your experience with your NGB 2021?
Yes, this year is the marvelous year, and I can say this year is a magical year of the JCI India, because you are also member, you are also able to know, and you go and search the JCI India website and the pages and the PR projects and everywhere. The way we did wonders this year. This year only we launched Senior Member Association. This is a great initiative for all of us. This year only we launched JCOM. This year only we crossed the membership, whatever we want to cross from last many years. We crossed the foundation level more than 1 crore this year only. So everything we did this year. And if I talk about my NGB, I can say really I am the very blessed national president. So I got all this opportunity as a SMA launching, JCOM launching, and my NGB is just like more than my family for me, the way they supported me, because without their support, without their love, it is not possible. So today I got a new family in my life in the name of my National Governing Board. They are ready to do anything for me, whatever I'll say, they are ready to do for me, and same way I am also giving return to them. Whatever they are telling, I am ready to do for them, whatever they want.
That's lovely, ma'am. Often, like everyone says, the pandemic 2020, 2021, it
Yes.
has changed everyone's life.
Yes.
But what I can see as that JCI India, it like changed in a very positive way.
Yes,
You
yes.
came up with such new things.
And we
that's
created
awesome.
this type of bond with this year of the National Governing Board. Before that, my name was famous in the JCI India in the name of the Iron Lady of the JCI India.
Wow.
This year, with the bond of my National Governing Board with me, with members, they itself changed my name to Iron Lady to Bandhan Lady of the JCI India.
Wow, that's really awesome, ma'am. So, like one project or event of your tenure which is very close to your heart and you would like to promote it personally as well.
If we'll talk about this, once I visited one loam, I am not able to recognize the name of that loam. They had this just like you can say factory or machine, something like. In that they are taking the milk of the mothers, and they are preserving that mother milk in their factory. Because you also know as a lady, and everyone can know ki in this world also many lady as a mother is not able to give their mother milk to their kids. So for that they are doing, and in this factory, in their office, these mothers are coming and they are giving that milk to their kids. This project really touched me. If I'll get some opportunity in future, really I'll try to develop this project in the national level as well as in the international level.
That's lovely. So this was in 2021 itself?
Yes, 2021.
Okay, and talking about your entire JC career, then which event or which project would it be?
If I am going to talk with all the JCI India project from last many years, the most touching event for me, the blood donation. and I was the norm coordinator last year also, and last year only we crossed all the milestone also, and Health Minister Ashwardhan sir also appreciated this project and me and JCI India for this, because this is the thing, this easily we can do, blood donation easily we can do. How much easy and how much important, जितना ये आसान है उतना ही कहीं ना कहीं ज़्यादा ये important है. हाँ कि donation of food, donation of home, donation of money is very easy for all of us, but donation of blood is tough as well as easy, because उसके लिए हमारे पास से कुछ नहीं जा रहा है, but we are giving life to 3 people, not 1 people. So this blood donation is always very touchy for me, and the way last year I worked, तो मैं लास्ट ईयर इसकी नॉर्म कोऑर्डिनेटर थी, पर इन फ्यूचर व्हेनेवर आई गेट सम अपॉर्चुनिटी आई एम रेडी टू डू वर्क ऑलवेज फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट.
That's lovely. Actually, saving someone's life is a happiness for us itself.
Yes, true.
Like, what was the most challenging task during your tenure as the national president?
Challenging tasks, nothing like that, because I did not face any problem. I got every support from everywhere, as well as family, as well as national governing board, as well as my loan president, members, my seniors, everywhere. But as a little bit challenge I faced when COVID came again. People start telling कि last year also we are not able to do anything, this COVID again, this COVID is coming, madam maybe you are not able to travel, again we are not able to do any zone event, national events, meetings, your visit in the physical way. That time I thought how it is possible. That time 2 months I also locked myself in the home due to too much cases. So that time was the really very challenging moment for me, ki because I want to take JCI India in the more heights, and this is not possible in the COVID and locking myself in the home. But finally, when there is a will, there is a way. God helped all of us, and finally we did everything in a physical way.
Really appreciative, ma'am. So, like, what is your vision to take JCI India and the JCI movement further?
My mission is to growth. Always I am working on the growth. Well, whatever post I took as a ZP, as a EVP, as a norm coordinator GND also I was in 2018. My always focus area is growth. The reason behind that ki if we'll go somewhere, then there is no need to give our introduction ki I am the national president of the JCI India, you are the loan president of the JCI India, you are the member of the loan JCI India. Whenever you will go, you will run, people will recognize, oh you are the JCI member, you are the zone president, you are the national president. And growth we want everywhere. Wherever we don't want the growth, you just compare with your family, compare with your business. अभी इतना पैंडमिक, आवर बिजनेस इज नॉट रनिंग, बट देन ऑल्सो वी वांट ग्रोथ. वी आर नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट एंड एडजस्ट नो कि हमारा बिजनेस में ग्रोथ नहीं होगा. Kids are not going properly school, but then also we are not ready to accept their less marks and percentage. We are running behind them, we are beating them sometimes also shouting कि आपका रिजल्ट क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. We want result. So if we want growth everywhere in our kids education also, in our business also, so why not in the JCI? So if my vision is that ki this year only I crossed and I took the JCI India and the very forward in the membership level, and this is my dream, this is my vision कि हम जितना ज़्यादा आगे जा सकते हैं, whatever we are possible to add members in the JCI India, whatever publicity PR we are able to give the JCI India, this is my vision.
So how is JCI as well as JCI India working with other organizations in India and across the globe as well to come up with solutions for major problems these days like hunger, illiteracy, lack of direction for the youth and so on?
We are doing a lot of projects. We are for hungerness, for this hungry problem, for this empowerment problem and all. We are doing a lot of projects, and the JCI level also we are doing, and we are getting good results also, because our loans are also doing, they are adopting some this is because this is my mission also this year कि no need to help for a 10 persons for 1 month. Your duty as a loan president is that you will go and help one person, but you take full duty of full responsibility of that person, कि वो एक पर्सन इतना अपने पैर पे खड़ा हो जाए कि उसको फिर आपकी उसको हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं पड़े, like that. So you just open the shop for him, you just give a shelter to him. No need to give कि आप उसको एक टाइम का खाना दे रहे हो या एक महीने के खाना दे रहे हो, बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी में दे रहे हो. No need to do this. You give one fixed business, fixed shelter to him, then only it's possible. And many loans are coming forward, many zones are already came forward, and they are doing. So this type of projects we are doing to remove the empowerment also, to remove this poverty problem and everything we are doing.
That's great. Actually, many organizations these days, they visit old age homes, they do a lot of that. But that is like among everyone, yes. They go once in 2 months and everything. But what you said, that focusing on one person
10
and
times
his or her development.
Yes, once in a year you are going old age home. once in a year you are going some orphanage, and once a year you are
There
going,
is no long-term
less.
benefit for them.
You just open some stalls, food stalls them, you give them little small center, one room home at
Something
least
which
you
can be
give.
permanent
हाँ,
for them.
permanent for them, so they can or they will always keep in memory for
Of
that.
course,
Yes,
they will always remember
that lone
that.
president came and he helped me like this.
Yeah, normally they feel like yes, everyone keeps on
Yes,
coming this
yes,
that.
yes.
That's great. So and how is JCI India approaching the untapped areas, like the areas who don't have any knowledge about JCI? So
Yeah, we are doing a lot of orientation program, and our members, our presidents, and our this orientation team is going to some villages also. If we are getting some approaches, ki yes, there is a village, they have a lot of people. If we'll go somewhere, so maybe we'll get some membership. Yeah, we are able to give some knowledge. So our sometimes our orientation team with the help of the loan president and loan member, we are going there. We are trying to orient them what is the JCI, what is the value of the education, what is the value of hygienic and all this type of things we are doing for them.
like do they actually show interest? Do they
Yes.
listen?
Yeah, they are sometimes they are showing our what we are doing in our personal life also, for kids also, for our family. We are we can try on, we can
just
try
we
on.
can tell them.
The same thing we are trying. The result for result we have to wait.
Right. So being a national president in itself is not an easy task. So how do you balance your profession, your family, and JCI, everything at the same time? Like such a perfect balance of all. How do you do it?
I can say this credit goes to JCI, because JCI is the famous for the management. If we are working in the 5 areas, in one area is the management. So from last 8 to 9 years I am associated with the JCI. I started from the loan president as a founder loan president to today to the national president. So I got a lot of learning from the JCI, especially the management. And I can say this learning of the management, this learning of the training, because by the lot of training we are giving and we are
Yes.
getting. I also got a lot of training as a loan president, as a zone president, time management, family management, relation between husband and wife, relation between kids, happy parenting. These things I learned a lot from this JCI. And finally this year I am using all these key points of that training, and finally I am able to do everything and everyone is happy. And I am not telling ki I'm not able to perform anywhere. Whatever I am getting, I am trying to perform, and finally me and my family is very much happy. So finally I can say, though, this all credit ki how I am managing this going to JCI only.
How nice is this that we learn from JCI only
Yes.
how to manage JCI with the
Yes.
other things
We
of
learned
our
now
life.
this
That's
as a national
true.
president. I am giving this learning. I am using this learning.
That's great, ma'am. So we would like you to share your experience on your journey as the national president 2021, and how has it helped in shaping your personality?
Means we all, again please repeat your question.
Like your experience on your journey
Okay.
of national president 2021, and how did it help you in shaping your personality?
I can say this national journey of the national president is one of the best year of my life, because I met a lot of people, every type of people, from the grassroots level to the higher level, from uneducated to overeducated, from a single man to a group like that. I met a lot of people. I visited a lot of places in the term of the mandir, you can say, in term of the public places. I met a lot of culture, different culture I saw. I never expect in my life ki in 1 year I am able to do all these things. So more than 50% India I covered during my visit and all. So this is a wonderful year for me, and I am able to know the learning of the person also, कि how can we recognize, हम कैसे किसी को जज कर सकते हैं, कितने तरह के लोग होते हैं दुनिया में, कितने तरह की भाषाएं होती हैं, कितने तरह के कल्चर्स होते हैं. तो ये 1 साल में मुझे सब कुछ देखने को मिल गया. और if what as a national president I can say my whole personality changed by this. Already I am in confidence level, never I am lacking, but this year as a national president, this gave me a lot of confidence, a lot of knowledge, a lot of PR, a lot of new relations, a lot of new members in my life. And proudly, and I can say, especially as a national president also, as a JC member also, कि wherever I'll go this year also, in future also, one member is in that place who is ready to help me. If I'll get some help, I want some help from him. For example, here only I want to see the Siddhi Vinayak Mandir, I want to see the Imagika, to Marine Lines people, and president is ready to support me. He is only doing everything for me. So this is not for this year. This relation we made for many years, and this is the best thing I got, and we are getting in the JCI. We got a lot of family, a lot of members across the India, across the world. They are ready to help us, and they are ready to chill with us.
So this is so beneficial. Like at
Yes.
every place you have someone on whom you
Yes.
can count on.
Yes.
That's nice. So one personal habit of yours that has helped you a lot in reaching where you are today.
Very committed. Too much committed for my things as a wife also, as a mother also, as a family member also, as a friend also, and as a JCI leader, as a JCI member. Very committed. I am very much committed. If I took the some commitment, I can go extend any level to fulfill my commitments. If I have to wake up for 24 hours, I am ready. If my job is not over, तो मैं पूरी रात 24 घंटा में जग सकती हूँ. मैं बिना खाना खाए रह सकती हूँ जब तक मेरा कमिटमेंट पूरा नहीं होगा. मतलब माई NGB इज टेलिंग वन डायलॉग ऑल्सो मूवी, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल प्रॉपर, कि जब मैं किसी के ठान लेता हूँ तो मैं अपने आप के भी नहीं सुनता हूँ. तो द सेम माई NGB इज़ यूजिंग फॉर मी, कि मैडम के पे ये डायलॉग बहुत सूट करता है, बिकॉज दे ऑल्सो नो कि अगर मैं नहीं सोती हूँ, कमिटमेंट पूरा नहीं होता है, तो मैं उनको भी नहीं सोने देती हूँ. द वे आई एम गिविंग देम कॉल एंड मैसेजेस लाइक दे ऑल्सो नो कि मैडम ने कमिट कर लिया, मतलब वो हमको किसी भी तरह करना है. दैट्स वाई दिस ईयर वी क्रिएटेड अ लॉट ऑफ हिस्ट्री एंड वी क्रॉस्ड ऑल द, वी ब्रेक ऑल द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द लास्ट मेनी ईयर्स ड्यू टू the commitment of me, and my NGB is supporting me for fulfilling my all the commitments.
Commitment is actually so important.
Yes.
Like even if we have a busy schedule, we remove that time for that
Yes.
commitment if we
Yes.
are so committed.
Yes.
We have always heard like behind every successful man there is a woman, but in this case, behind a successful woman there is a man. I am sure he has been your backbone throughout your journey. So could you share something about your husband's contribution to your success?
Yeah, 100%, because he really, this line is 100% suits on me. And my ZP report only in 2017, I used the same line and I told, and I'm telling my friends are also jealous with me sometimes, you know, how he got so this supporting husband. My family is giving example of my husband to my brothers. My friends are giving example of my husband to my husband friend and all, कि go and learn with Rakhi Jain husband, Ankur Bhaiya, like that they are telling. And the way he supported me, sometime I don't want to go high as a national president also, and this year as a VP also, no, sorry, it is not possible for me. Already this is a lot of sacrifice, I'm not able to give the time to family and all. He is only a person who always not motivated me, who always pressurized me, no, you, if you have time, if you have age, you have capability, you have to go. And he's working, not in my absence, he's taking proper care of my in-laws also, my kids also, home also. He's performing dual role for me, and whenever I want his support in a physical way also, he's ready to present there also. Because as a lady, this our JCI leaders, especially seeing they are judging how much husband support and family support is with her or not. So always he is ready to support, and I can say there is no words for him. There is no words for him, because mentally sometimes we are going, maybe my husbands are giving comment, but he is that person who never commented on me also. Why I'm doing so much sacrifice for you, I'm only doing all these things for you. He never commented, never giving any comment also for that. Happily he is adjusting, happily he is helping, happily he is motivating me for all these things.
So basically he is that driving force for you,
Yes.
who always keeps on pushing
Yes,
you.
I can say I am the luckiest wife of
A very proud feeling
proud and
for him
luckiest
also.
wife of India and world. So I got this type of husband who is really supporting me like anything.
Lucky you. So what is one of your biggest achievements which you believe is the outcome of JCI?
Biggest achievement, I can say my this confidence level, how the way my confidence level increased, the way I am managing everything, the way I got the PR, means now in Ranchi, no need to say I am the wife of the Ankur Jain, no need to say I am the daughter-in-law of my father name, whatever. No need to say all these things. People are recognize me from myself. Oh yes, she is Rakhi Jain, she is the national president or whatever, she is the JCI member, like that. I got so much PR, I got a name in over, especially in my home place. So this is the biggest achievement, I got this name. Kids are giving more importance, oh my mama is doing all these things proudly. They are showing my photos, my messages, my news to their friends. So this time, that time is really my proud moment for me. My kids are doing proud for me. So these 2-3 things is really big achievement for me, is giving importance getting importance, extra importance of kids, giving extra importance of husband, because he is only sharing the news. When I got the elected as a JCI vice president, he only shared the news with message ki my wife Rakhi Jain elected as a vice president. So these things a lot of motivation and achievement, I can say.
At the start, as you said, you wanted that recognition and you have finally achieved
Yes.
that. So, any instance where you disagreed with any decision but you had to take it, and how did you handle such a situation?
If frankly say or truly say, never this thing happened in my life ki with a disagree I just adjusted with any decision, because my senior also know ki she is not like that. If she don't like, she will see what मतलब वो against जाएगी या she will tell like that. तो ऐसा कुछ भी मेरी ज़िंदगी में या मेरे लाइफ में और this year as a national president never happened, because I am very open minded also, and you can say I am very bold also, and I am very
You seem to be very flexible.
Yeah, very flexible
that you can
also.
adjust with everything.
Very flexible also, and जो नहीं अच्छा लगता, I can say openly in mouth also, sorry, it is not possible for me like that. So never I face this type of problem, and little bit facing problem I can say is the advantage, the plus point for us कि अगर थोड़ा बहुत challenge नहीं होगा तो we are not able to rise, we are not able to raise. And if अगर you want to ask in one line, तो answer is that कि never I got this type of problem.
That's awesome. If you could go back in time, anything you would want to change in the year 2021, something you feel that you could have done even better?
Nothing like that. For COVID, little bit I have these things ki maybe we can do more better as a JCI level, because we have a lot of members, we have a lot of sources, we can do more better. So but already we achieve a lot of things, we change a lot of things, and from ground level to the high level we change. This year NGB change a lot of things, because our leadership also changed from the national level. Someone came and who took this year JCI India, and he helped me like anything. So never I don't have any this type of feelings ki yeah I can do better, yeah we can do better, because whatever we did our best this year. And if I'm going to compare from last many years, I'm telling the same line again and again. So we did more and more better in every field. So nothing like that. Yeah, only with this thing, if for COVID maybe we can do it. If we'll try, we can do more better. But already due to a lot of assignment, lot of engagements, so we are not able to give too much focus in this.
COVID was something which was not in our hands. So
Yes.
other than that, what I would like to say is a very satisfactory
Yes,
feeling
yes,
that whatever
yes.
you did,
If
it was
COVID
the best.
not, this second wave of the COVID not came this year, so whatever we did more than it. Maybe we'll try and we'll do more than it. But due to COVID, some restrictions came in my life, in my NGB life, in JCI India life. So sometimes we sacrificed for it.
So one national president of JCI India whom you consider as your role model, is there anyone as such?
Yes. As a national president, you can say, so our past national president to 1999 national president, who is now we are telling as the family head of the JCI India, past national president Ravi Shankar sir. He's a person who always motivated me. This year also he is motivating me, and he is an inspiration for me, because this year, that year only, he took the membership in a very high level, and till now we are giving example of this year. So I only want to break that line ki 1999 we did these things. I want in future, whenever this new team will come, they will say for at least minimum next 5 years ki yes 2021 did these things. So the way he handled that time and the way he is handling this time is really great motivation for me. So I can say as a past national president, he's the person who motivated me.
A true role model.
True role
Actually
model.
walking on his path and trying
Yes,
to
because
break
he's
the
also
record what
busy.
he made.
Yes, because now also he's so much busy in his profession. He's the lawyer of the Supreme Court. But the way he's taking care of myself and my national governing board and then JCI India is great. It is not possible for all of us. This is true. For maybe in future I am also not able to do whatever he's doing for this today for all of us.
That's actually superlative, ma'am. Many congratulations to you, ma'am. Now that you have been elected as the World Vice President 2022, do you envision yourself as the President of Junior Chamber International in the coming years? Or where do you see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years?
In this, I can say you also know the restriction of the JCI, the age level 40 years, so I can't file from the next year. Next year is my last year. Okay. So as a JCI career, like next year as a JCI VP is my last year. As a age, but always I am ready to support in the zone level to national level, in the world level. Whenever I got some opportunity, some appointment also, I am ready to serve. I am ready to do, because I can say now JCI is as family and kids are life. Everyone knows, no need to say. But in the same path, in the same wall, JCI is also my life, because I gave a lot of time to JCI, and JCI give me a lot of things. So this is time of return. So I'm always ready to serve JCI whenever I'll go get any appointments, any post, any things. I'm ready to give. But as a leader, as a this authorized leader, I am not able to go higher, because next year is my last year.
Okay. So other than this, if you have planned something else, where do you see yourself in the next coming years, other than JCI?
Yeah, I want to. I'm a successful businesswoman.
That's great.
Yes.
So, ma'am, last but not the least, ending our talk tales, we would like to have one message which you would like to give to our viewers.
Yes, I want to say, my viewers, be confident in yourself with a good smile. So every path will be clear for you. If your confidence is high, no one is able to show you in the down level and all. अगर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा होगा तो हर कोई उस कॉन्फिडेंस से घबरा के आपके सामने झुकने के लिए तैयार है. और अच्छी सोच के संग, अच्छी स्माइल के संग अगर अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को हम हाई रखते हैं तो मंजिल हमारे पास आएगी ही आएगी.
For your positive and inspiring words. It was indeed a pleasure having you on our Talk Tales and looking forward to you as an inspiration. I strongly believe in future there won't be female leaders, but we'll be called only leaders.
Yes, and this is my line of this year only, and every time I am also using, and now everyone started using this line. I started my speech from as a national president from these two lines only. In future there will be no male or female leader, there will be only leaders. And I am trying my level best in the General Assembly this year also. We will try to do something. Really this next year this lady leader and male leader name will not come, only leaders name will come.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Doesn't need motivation, but having such excellency is a motivation for us. We, JCI Marine Lines, feel elated and would like to specially thank JCI Senator Rakhi Jain, 2021 National President JCI India, for her valuable presence, inspiring words, and for helping us spread motivation through our initiative Talk Tales. Wishing her all the very best for her future endeavors.